Hello, I'm Clarence Richard. Welcome to the e-Electro-Mechanical Systems Maintenance Workshop. I am an instructor with a workshop and have been for over 15 years for the traditional classroom training. We receive great views for the traditional classroom training. Participants that have now been to both conclude the self-paced internet training is far more effective. Since initiating our workshops, we have listened to suggestions and changed accordingly. No matter where you are in your journey, I am confident you shall find this experience beneficial, challenging, and engaging.
We're going to talk about many things. Some parts of the class you will zip right through, and others you may be moving at a snail's pace. The beauty of this online correspondence course is that you can customize the course to your needs by choosing to slow the pace to fully understand what is important to you. You may start the class at the office, shop, or plant, and decide to stop halfway through a module and finish up the other half at home that night or next week. We present hundreds of pictures, drawings, documents, animations, and videos graphically driving a point home. This e-workshop offers the Electrical Mechanical System Maintenance Reference Manual available at registration. The manual is not necessary, but it is handy. The computer monitor displays the slide being presented and the notes the narrator is reading from. The participant can follow from the book or from the notes on the side of the screen. The book allows the participant to take notes and highlight in the text as the participant progresses through the workshop. The participant may also have attachments available to them to download for printing and for saving to their computer. The beauty of this online training is anytime, anywhere, for as long as you want to do it. You can stop in the middle of a module or a quiz and go to another module or quiz or log off the website altogether. The system knows what you did and did not do. The sidebar and legend tells you where you are, where you've been, and where to go next. We encourage you to slow down in areas of interest, little-known subject matter, and more complex material. Pause the videos and the animation. Review the previous slide when trying to comprehend complex situations.